have kept the materials here that I'll be using in making my floral bangle. I'll be using a ribbon, a bangle, some leaves, some beads, a little bit of net, and 2 pre-made foam flowers. Now these foam flowers, you can get them from any craft store, or you can use a bouquet of plastic flowers as well. It depends totally on what is available to you. These leaves as well you can get from a craft store, or you can get them from the bouquet of pre-made plastic flowers. So I'll be using these 3 types of flowers. I'll also be showing you how to make a flower with this net, and we'll be pasting these flowers. First of all, let's make these flowers. See, it's a small one, and I'm going to use a small one in my bangle because this one feels a little bit bigger for me. So for that, I'll be separating it here. See, this size makes sense, and rest of the petals, I'm separating it here. It's not difficult to separate it. Here you go. See, another smaller flower. Now the third one, see these leaves, we're not going to throw it away, but we are going to make the third flower with these leaves only. I'll take my scissor, cut it at one end, and then start rolling it, the way we do our paper flowers or paper roses. I'll join it here using glue gun, and see, our third rose is done. Also this one is loosened a bit, so I'll be tightening it with the help of my glue gun so that these look same. Next, we'll be using this ribbon and rolling it over our bangle because we want the bangle base to look nice and even. And also because this ribbon helps in securing my foliage and flowers onto the bangle, so I'll be fixing it and rolling it over the bangle. But first of all, I'll be applying the glue here so that my rolling of the bangle is easy for me. It's a wedding season, and these make a really good wedding favors. You can make them yourself for your bridesmaids, for yourself, or for anybody that you want to gift. You know, these are the things that small businesses charge you for when you can do it cheaply all by yourself. We all have our old flower vases and stuff like that at our homes. We can easily use them in crafts like these. Now let's make some flowers using this net. What I'll be doing here, I'll be folding it into half like this, and then we'll be cutting it like this into tiny stripes. Next, I'll join the end using the glue gun. Just be careful with the hot glue, and the extra I'll be cutting it out. It becomes a pretty flower. I'll also be pasting a little bead at the center. That's it. The second thing made. Now we'll be making another flower with this yellow net. Again, I'm folding it. Next, I have this flower plastic holder. I'll be applying a little glue inside this plastic holder and putting my flower in it. Now where from I got it? I have recycled it. Again from an old flower bouquet. So here it is, another flower already made. Now I have these leaves, I have these leaves, and I have these. So now I'm going to make all of these to look like this. For that, I'll be cutting them out first. All these three are ready, and now I need to put them on this bangle. So these are three, and we have three flowers. I'll be put them in a triangular fashion. This is the one. Next, here. This one. Just make sure you're able to fix it really nicely. So that it may not come off. Next, I'll be pasting flowers in the gaps. Here, another one will be pasted in between these two, and another one will be pasted in between these two. There you go. It's simple and classy. And here I have finished this bangle. I have made a pair of these bangles.